guys? So today I'm going to make a video regarding the Lishi tool. This guy right here. So let's see. If you follow these instructions the way I'm going to show you, you'll be able to successfully use the Lishi tool in Ford, Nissan, Chevy, pretty much any Lishi tool except 4-track, like BMW 4-track. Those are a little bit more difficult, but if you master the standard Lishi, you should be able to. It only took me I want to say a week to get this thing locked down, and I can pretty much decode I can pick any lock open for any vehicle, and I can decode it like right away using my Instacode. So that means you can generate keys that are lost, which it's a really big thing. If you're going to become a locksmith, you need to generate keys that are lost, pretty much. So yeah, like I said, if you follow every step I do, you'll be successful 9 times out of 10. I've been doing this for a while now, and the way I've been doing it's been working for me. So stay tuned, watch everything, learn something, hit the like button, subscribe if you like. It helps me out a lot. If you have any questions, you can always leave it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. So yeah, just hang on, and hope you learn a thing or two. Hello. Okay, so right in front of you we have a Nissan Lishi pick NSN14 for the door, and it's only for the doors and not for the ignition, because this one's the one that only has cuts 3 through 10. If you want the ignition one, it's 1 through 10. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to use the Lishi pick efficiently, and if you follow these instructions, you'll be able to use it 9 times out of 10 first time, and you're also going to know how to decode pretty accurately. So like I said, if you follow these instructions, you'll be able to operate any other Lishi tool. It can be Ford, it can be Ford High Security, it can be Nissan, it can be Chevy, Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes. Follow these instructions and you'll be successful. After this video, I'm going to show you how to decode using the Lishi, and how to use a program called Instacode to get the actual key code and the remaining cuts that are hidden in the ignition for this specific vehicle. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. So what you do, you put a little bit of tension upward, not too much, not too little, kind of keep it moderate. So if we go to the first wafer, number 3, you're gonna see how it's springy, right? There's no type of force or nothing. You leave it alone. Every time you have a springy wafer, you leave it alone. Okay, number 4, springy, leave it. The same. And number 8, you see how there's no spring, it's solid. So what you do, you pick it slowly all the way down to you hear one click. There you go. And now it clicked once, and now it's springy again. Cool. Now keep going. Number 9 is solid. Go ahead and pick it. There you go. Now it's springy. Go to number 10. It's the same. So go back to number 3, and you gotta go back to back over and over until literally the cylinder will rotate. So number 3, solid, no spring. Pick it. There you go. Cylinder rotated just a tad bit, which means we're almost picking it to the open position. So now number 4, it's solid. Pick it. There you go. Okay, number 5, a bit springy, we'll leave it alone. Number 6, 7 is completely solid. There you go. That's a loud click right there. So, okay, now it's in spring position. 8 is solid. There you go, now it's springy. 9, a bit springy, we'll leave that one alone. Number 10 is no movement whatsoever, so we're gonna pick it. Oh, that was a tough one. There you go. Picked. I go back to number 3. As you can see, it's solid now. There's no spring to it. Pick it over. Okay, job. And then we go to number 4. Solid. There you go. Number 5 is springy. We'll leave it alone. 6 springy. 7 springy. 8 solid. Now it's springy. 9 is solid. Oh, springy, solid. And you gotta keep going till there's no more solids. See, this one's solid. This is solid. No, sorry, springy, solid. There you go. So see, we rotated the cylinder now. So what you do pretty much, you go over and over till there's literally no more solid wafers. When there's no more solid wafers, all you have to do is just, it'll rotate by itself. Okay, if you have solid ones, pick them, and it'll, once they're all like in a springy position where there's no resistance to it at all, it'll rotate right over. Okay, so the next video I'm going to show you how to decode. Okay, we'll leave that here. Okay, so now we're going to decode. Make sure the lock is rotated, and now we go to number 3. It's going to be a 1. 4 is a 2. 5 is a 4. 6 is a 4. 7 is a 3. 8 is a 1. 9 is a 2. And 10 is a 3. There you go. So pretty much how you decode, you have to go upward towards the number on top. Okay, never go downward, it has to be upward. So as you can see, number 3 is up here. 4, you come down here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10, of course. So that's what we have there. Okay, now we're going to show you how to input this into Instacode so that you'll be able to decode this key and get the full key blank, so you can cut it and pretty much start the vehicle. So you open up your Instacode, you type in the desired year, make, and model of the vehicle. In this case, it's a 2014 Nissan NV200. Then you click on the Find Bidding tab, and you start from number 3. Well, depending where you're, if it's a 10 cut, 6 cut, 8 cut, whatever. But in this situation, we start from the number 3, and then you start putting each single cut you pretty much receive while decoding. In this case, it's 1, 2, 4, 4. The next one's going to be 3. Give me a second. 1. Let's see. 1, and the last one is 3. So then we hit enter, and as you can see here, one of those keys is going to open the ignition. So that's pretty much the app that I use, Instacode. It's pretty efficient. It works awesome. It only costs around, I think it's $9.99 a month. Pretty inexpensive. You can also add for $3.33 you can add other type of codes. It'll show you how to open specific vehicles and whatnot. So yeah, check them out. It's Instacode. This is an app on the iPhone. I believe they also have it on Android as well. But yeah, as you can see right now, I'm just showing you. You could even check how the key looks before you cut it. It shows you the specific key blanks you need. So here it shows you from Ilko, from Jet, Keyline, Soka, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I mean, it's a really good app. I would definitely recommend it if you're gonna be a locksmith, or if you're a locksmith or you want to become a locksmith. I strongly recommend you get this app. It'll save you a headache, and it just makes you work more efficiently, and that's what it's all about. Once you're a locksmith, to be quick and efficient, and this app, it definitely is the way to go. It's called Instacode, and they also have the CD version of it, but I believe it's I think you buy the CD version, you make like a one-time payment, and that's all you have. But I think it's fine to just get the app and pay the $10 a month. And like I said, working as a locksmith, you'll have more than enough to pay the $10. Once you master this field, you can make thousands in a day. So yeah, any questions? This is the end of the video. You can drop them on the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I'm Alex, and I'm signing off. Thank you.